Please, can you drop a text that we are live and ready? That's how they used to say it. Live, we're ready, we're active.
I can, yeah, life. I think life is a common word that is being used
Yes, okay.
that scenario.
Okay. I think we can use that. So I've dropped the comment. You guys should drop the comment. Are you guys already on the call? You guys are waiting for people. So we'll get more people here on the call.
Okay, I'll do that now.
I'm trying to bring up our meeting minutes. Let me bring up our meeting minutes. Okay, 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 okay. But then are you guys still here? Looks like we have a new member. Kate, good
Yeah,
afternoon. Good
I'm
morning.
here.
Good morning. I've been here since, but I've just been keeping quiet because I don't know what to
Please,
say.
please don't,
Good
please,
morning.
please don't be keeping quiet. Please, we need you here.
I'm here.
Hi, Kate. Welcome.
Hi, Motuayo. We meet again.
Oh, you
Yeah.
guys have
Okay.
met before?
Like where did we meet? Oh, let me
When they were
know.
doing newcomers call.
Oh, newcomers. That was yesterday. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No, yesterday. That was
Oh,
last week.
yes. Oh,
Sorry, I'm
last week
trying to.
because we had one yesterday too. We are not there.
Ah,
Okay.
Yeah, I couldn't join yesterday. Even today, I think they had one today. Not
Yeah.
sure.
I
No,
was thinking I was
yesterday
supposed
is
to join on newcomers call. Am I supposed to join like all of
no,
them?
no, no. It's not every time. It's just maybe when you have questions, can join.
Or if
Maybe
or
you
if
have
you want
questions like
to assist, there's no harm in assisting too.
yeah, probably you want to assist or you just want to like engage and
Okay, now I know
that's
that.
the yeah.
I'm actually looking for our meeting minutes. I know I have that document pinned. I just cannot find it right now.
Okay, I'm joining this call
Okay.
with. I'm switching this call to my laptop.
This okay. Meeting is
Recorded. Okay, actually.
Okay, I finally found it. Yay, I found it. So I'll be sharing a link. I expect you guys to this. What's today's date? What's today's date? What's today's date? What's today's date?
Today is 14.
Okay, today is 14. First things first. Happy New Year. Happy
Same
New
to
Year,
you.
everyone.
Same to you.
Na 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 pam pam pam.
Yes,
I
yes.
wonder why Zoom is not having those sounds.
They should actually. I don't know why.
It's not like Discord where we have drums and whatsoever. Can just be
There's
making
sounds
noise.
on Discord.
Yeah, there are sounds on Discord.
So I'm sharing the link now. So our first question is going to be, what was your favorite moment in the holidays? What was holidays? So let me share. Please do well to add your name, the all of the little things and the big things. You know, I'm finding that not. Okay, I've shared it. So welcome back. I nearly said welcome back to Chaos Cast. So yeah, welcome back, everyone, and it's a pleasure to have you here back in the Technical Writers Focus Group. And we're excited we have a new member in the house. Hi, Kate. Please do want to introduce yourself. I'm just going to give you a clap.
No, you buy me a cow.
We can
Ah,
actually.
don't worry.
But we can't do
Don't worry,
that we'll do it on
just
GitHub. We just create an
Just
issue.
just buy me a BMW and that works. I'm not greedy.
Oh God, she wants a BMW. That's nice.
A BMW M5 limousine or an
So be,
X6 series or the X series, any of them. Either green color, emerald green or black, any of them.
I'm trying to imagine your face, but that's fine. Please, please introduce yourself. We'll do as much as we can to ensure we get you a BMW. We're not promising. So,
Hmm.
but then,
It's fine.
please do well to introduce yourself. And then while you're introducing yourself, you can take like a minute or two to fill in the meeting minute. Yeah.
Okay, who am I? She, that's how they introduce themselves. This feels like a talking stage. Jesus Christ. Sorry.
The meeting is recorded in either way though. But yeah,
Okay.
please do want to introduce yourself.
So my name is a Kate Ahunrika.
Okay.
What else? I'm a graduate of University of Port Harcourt. I study computer science. I'm a product designer, sometimes a product manager, sometimes an HR. I don't even know what I do sometimes. Okay, no, I'm serious now. A virtual assistant, and currently I am a illustration designer. Can you
Mm.
still hear me?
Yes, we can. Loud and clear.
The thing is, I do a lot of plenty things. Just plug me in. I promise you, I just know how to navigate. Provided
Okay.
you explain and you are willing to allow me ask questions, then that's
Okay. So before I tell you what we are here in Chaos and Chaos Technical Writers, is there anything? Okay, I'll tell you first and then allow you to, tell us what you're looking for, where we can help, where we can come in, stuff like that. But then my name is Harmony and I currently lead the Technical Writers Focus Group. And the lady beside you, beautiful lady, is Muturayo. She's one of our focus group members and she's extremely very much active. What I do for work is, aside technical documentation, I'm also a project and product manager. And I do a couple of other stuff too, just like you. And not peradventure, we also stay in the same city, and that's good. You're welcome.
which city do you
Then,
stay in?
Port Harcourt. But then,
Oh, my former city.
okay, you're from my city. Yeah, I guess you're in Lagos now.
Yeah, yeah.
So, like, welcome to Chaos. So, what are we in Chaos? So, Chaos is a project under the Linux Foundation. And the focus of this project or this community is basically under community health, analytics of open source software, right? And then that's also the meaning of our acronym. The core thing we do here is create metrics and also prepare various guides and also systems that helps communities like Chaos and also open source software to enable them evaluate community health and project health. We are open source. That means that everybody, 99% of everybody you would find in the community is here to learn and also volunteer. We are not paid for the work we do. And one of the way we get fulfillment is we learn. So you're not restricted to a certain group, focus group, working group, or even chapter, though apparently you would be under the Chaos African chapter and they have their meetings. We do have our meetings every other Thursday by 3 p.m. I think 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. However, But here in the technical writers focus group, what we do majorly is try to ensure or improve on the experience of technical documentation across various repositories and also across various working groups. Additionally, we help to write articles and a couple of other things. Now, for our focus group members, we try to see as much as possible where we can help out on regards various forms of education where they need like a helping hand to either better their career, they need somebody to be able to put them through on certain things. We could always reach out to somebody that is an expert in that field to help you out on that regards. We also try to host spaces and also workshop where we educate people about open source generally and also on documentation and also other ways that you can actually contribute to open source that are known code. So there's this stereotype that if you're going to contribute to open source, you have to be extremely technical inclined, which means you have to write codes, develop website and stuff like that. You don't have to do them, yeah. That's the whole point. So welcome back again. I don't know if you have any question, but I'm open to give answers to them. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't.
Okay, so the one thing that I would ask after this is basically how or what is like your objective, so we could see how we could come in to help you facilitate our objective, right? Especially now that you're here in our focus group meeting, basically.
What if I said that your focus group meeting I joined was because I missed my own meeting? Sorry.
That's good. There's no
Okay.
harm in there's no
I
harm
was
in
supposed to
learning
be in
what we do.
design. I was supposed to be in
Yeah.
design focus group meeting by 11, but I was trying to sort out NYSC. And
Oh,
yeah.
yeah, I get it. So, but it's amazing that you're here, right? And then you can also learn about us while you can still work with the design team. We work with them a lot of time. I think everybody works with the design team. They have been doing a lot of work and a lot of amazing stuff. Kingsley is the lead, literally.
Okay.
Yeah.
No
So
problem.
our agenda, let me share my screen. Our agenda for today is very much simple. Oh, so I would say that she ate rice and meat. That's nice. So, recap of 2025 and see if we can begin planning our goals for this year. So, recap of 2025, we did a lot of amazing stuff, one of which, the most notable one, is the workshop where we had over 170% register for the workshop, and it got across 7 countries, and it was a very, very lively session that we did in a day, and we had at least 50 people, 40 to 50 people that joined the session live on Zoom. So recap of 2025 was extremely amazing. Wow. And we also did things like we contributed together with Wikipedia on updating African open source scholars or enthusiasts on the wiki page, on Wikipedia, basically. We also had event partnership with Write the Docs. We also had monthly session that ran up to or over 2,000 people that tuned in. So it was actually a very, very pleasant moment. We had like a lovely time in last year, 2025. So aside this lovely time, I don't know, I want to ask Mutaya what's like a favorite moment since Kate was on here. Mutaya, are you with us?
But I didn't get the last question. You
Like
said,
your favorite moment in 2025, like things we did and things we
oh,
would have done
ah,
better.
yeah, I think my favorite moment was just me staying at home, eating rice. That's all. Eating rice and meat. And
So I meant for the focus group for you.
that's all. Like me
Did you
just
hear me?
relaxing.
Did
Yeah,
you hear
I
me?
heard you.
No, I
Yeah,
mean
I heard you.
favorite moment in the stuff, like favorite things we did as a focus group in
Oh, yeah, the
2025.
favorite moment was just the time where we had workshop, and that was around October during the Oktoberfest events. Yeah,
Okay,
that's
that's
my favorite
lovely.
moment. And also when we had Chaos Con in August. Yeah,
Yes.
those are my favorite.
Okay. Thank you. I think Chaos.com was actually very much lovely because I also had met people that I've not met before, also get to like share hugs, also shook hands and share a meal, even if I was sick. But yeah, share a meal as well. So it was very, very good. Lovely. But now the very big question, which is not going to end in this meeting, I also want to put it in the channel, is I would want us to plan our 2025 together, especially the goals, just like we did last year. So we're going to also come together to achieve them as a focus group as well, like everybody's hands together and stuff like that. It's just going to be very, very simple. What would you want us to do this year? Or what do you think we would have done last year that we can move to doing this year? So, and now that Kate is here, Kate has heard everything about us. She can also tell us what she thinks we should also add or probably do this year as well. So I'm dropping into the house, Muturayo, Kate, and me, Harmony.
I think for my hand, I think we just have to have um, okay, for last year when we had the workshop towards Oktoberfest, we didn't have like hands on. We didn't have like where um the members are going to like do something with their own hand. I'm looking forward to that where we have to create like a platform where they can be able to use their hands, whether to actually create like PRs concerning documents or something. So, but I don't want it to just be like workshop like that one. We could have something like that workshop. That's before the Oktoberfest. Then during the Oktoberfest, we could have like I don't know, probably a repo where they have to where they have to work or something. Yeah, just hands-on experience. Yeah, from my end. Then I'm looking forward to Chaos Con 2026. Obviously, we're having one, so I'm looking forward to that.
So do you think we should do something in Chaos Con 2026?
Yeah, but I don't really have an idea yet. I don't know. I don't really have an idea yet, but I think we should.
Okay. So for me, I think we should probably create a resource bank, a technical writers resource bank. Resource bank, basically somewhere that people can actually, go and get started with articles, videos, stuff like that. Then I also think that we should write more articles and guides. I think we should write more articles and guides too as well. So I don't know, any other thing?
Mhm.
Kate, do you have anything at heart?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Actually, nothing much at the moment because I don't really like know anything like that. But if I can have a place where I can be able to like learn, you get like learn what to do because technical writing I've never done that before. So a place where I can learn to do technical writing, that works fine. And yes, everybody have to be patient with me because it's just like telling me to learn how to drive a car. when I've
Yeah,
never
I
sat
get.
in driver's seat before. So that's one. Then secondly, yeah, I would love to volunteer for every chaos conference. If I want to do 500 this year, up and active, or how did this to see that English? Yes.
Yeah, very much active.
So that's that. I don't really have much to say at the moment. I think when I become more acquainted to everything,
Yeah.
I'll know how to contribute clearly.
Okay, that's good. Any other thing from anyone? So the resource bank that we're going to be creating would allow people just like you and also me that want to improve in technical writing or learn, have like a clear pathway that would lead them, you know, to get things done.
Okay, that's fine.
But then any other thing from anyone, I think it's already 12:30. But do we have any other thing? I think I'll put this.
Nothing. Nothing from my hand.
Okay. In absence to anything, I'm going to drop this in the channel so more people can actually add things on it. In absence to anything, I think we can have an amazing day and then come back the next other Wednesday. But then really, Kate, is like really a pleasure for you to join us. I know you wanted to join the design focus group meetings, but yeah, it's actually a very huge pleasure for you to join us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you for
everyone.
having me here.
You're welcome.
Maybe I'll think
Thank you.
about joining technical writers, but let me try and think about it
Oh, okay, that would be good.
because it seems like a lot.
No, it's not a lot actually. But
Do you
yeah,
put
no, we don't.
so what do you do?
We write articles, we review documentations, we help improve them. Basically, that's what we do.
So I don't need to do C
And
sharp
in
B minus.
no, no, you're not. And in as
Okay.
much as you're writing articles, you don't have to write the technical ones. You can decide to just write a blog post, and that's still fine.
Okay. Let me think if my writing skill is still active. I used to write when I was small. I loved writing. I just got tired. I didn't get tired of it though. But
Okay. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you so much, Kate. So we'll be seeing you in the next other Wednesday. Bye, everyone.
unfeelingly.